1,500 kilowatts motor on arrival. The motor's hood. Rear view of the slip ring seen with excessive carbon dust contaminant. View of the slip ring and carbon brushes seen with carbon dust contaminant. The slip ring after carbon brush holders and carbon brushes are removed. View of the rotor before it's removed from the stator. The cooling fan dismantling in progress. The stator after the rotor has been extracted. Close-up view on the winding seen with dust contaminant. View of the stator on the connection end. Close-up view of the winding on the connection end seen with dust contaminant. The rotor. Rotor cleaned and application of anti-tracking paint done. Stator cleaned and application of anti-tracking paint done. View of the connection end of the stator. Rotor inserted in the stator. Assembly in progress. The driving end after the rotor is inserted. New bearings fitted. The slip ring fitted after skimming. The rear view of the slip ring. Carbon brush holders and carbon brushes fitted. The terminal plate cleaned and fitted. Motor tested, painted and ready for dispatch. Motor loaded onto the truck using our 20-ton crane. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.